Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm diving into a fascinating experiment comparing two popular titanium whites, Winsor & Newton Titanium White and Schmincke Norma Professional Titanium White. To explore their effects, I've paired them with Winsor & Newton Ultramarine Blue, mixing the colors to see how each white influences the resulting tone. Let's get started. I begin with Winsor & Newton Titanium White. As I mix it with Ultramarine Blue, the result is deeper and more saturated blue. The Titanium White balances the Ultramarine beautifully, creating a rich, almost jewel-like tone, vivid and bold. This is a strong, striking color that would work wonderfully in areas where vibrancy is essential. Next, I mix the Schmincke Norma Professional Titanium White with the same Ultramarine Blue. Right away, I notice a significant difference. The resulting blue is lighter, almost powdery in comparison to the deeper tone created by Winsor & Newton. The Schmincke White's stronger pigmentation dominates more in the mix, producing a softer, more pastel-like tone, a calm and airy blue perfect for subtler applications. With these two distinct blues in front of me, one deeper and the other lighter, it's fascinating to see how much a single pigment choice can influence the final color. It's clear that both titanium whites bring unique characteristics to the mix. Winsor & Newton preserves the depth and richness of ultramarine, while Schmincke lightens and softens it significantly. Now it's time to take this experiment a step further. I introduce a secret color, lemon yellow from Daler-Rowney. This bright, vibrant yellow is perfect for creating greens, and I'm curious to see how it interacts with the two blues I've just mixed. First, I mix the lemon yellow with the blue made using Winsor & Newton Titanium White. The result is a vibrant, earthy green with a mossy quality, deep and rich, almost leaning toward an olive tone. It feels grounded and warm, an excellent color for creating natural landscapes or foliage. Then I mix lemon yellow with a lighter blue created using Schmincke Norma Professional Titanium White. The green here is much brighter and fresher, like the color of spring leaves or a sunlit meadow. It's lighter, more cheerful, and has an uplifting vibrancy that contrasts beautifully with the Winsor & Newton mix. But I'm not stopping there. Let's see what happens when I add crimson red to the two blues. First, I mix crimson red with the Winsor & Newton based blue. The result is a deep, muted violet, dusky and moody, with a richness that feels almost regal. When I mix crimson red with the lighter blue from Schmincke, the tone shifts again. This violet is softer and more pastel-like, leaning toward a delicate lavender hue. Throughout this experiment, the differences between the two titanium whites continue to stand out. Winsor and Newton create colors that are deeper, richer, and more intense, while Schmincke produces lighter, softer tones that feel airy and ethereal. These subtle differences can have a big impact on your artwork, whether you are aiming for bold contrast or gentle transitions. Thank you for joining me in this colorful journey. I hope this video inspires you to experiment with your own paints and explore how subtle changes in pigments can transform your mixes. Let me know in the comments which titanium white you prefer or if you have had similar experiences with your colors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other artists who love color mixing. Until next time, happy painting!